Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is iCollect. In today's video, we're going to be opening up 20 packs of Obsidian Flames. These are the blister packs. We'll open up 20 of them. And maybe we can pull Charizard. So, there's different pack arts here, as you can see in the back there, as you guys know already. So let's open these up and see what we can get. Still on the hunt for Charizard. The last time I opened these, you guys seen the episode already on the channel with my 200 subscriber special. So that was the last time I opened up any of these. So we're gonna open up 20 packs up and see what we can get. Hopefully we can get some cool cards. So first pack here. Charizard on the cover there. Very nice. We got Phantom as our first card there. Very nice. Got Weasel, Whooper, Smoliv, Sharpedo, Lanoon, Darmanitan. It's our first reverse foil. Finzin, something like Charizard gold card. Oh my god! Incredible! First pack. Oh my god. Wow. Incredible, man. Look at that. Oh my god. And Togekiss is our last card there. Oh my goodness, man. Wow, I did not think I was going to get this. Amazing. Holy crap, man. That is incredible. Wow. Alright, next pack. We're going to scoot these over so we can make some room for the hits and all that kind of stuff. Oh my god, dude, that is awesome. Next pack here. Wow. Alright, Vroom, Saladindit, Electrike, Larvitar, Dartrix, Oinkologne, Salazzle, Lillipup, Heatmore, Palafin. It's our rare card, and then those two cards there. So let's open up these blisters, the coin blisters. I like these ones. They are pretty cool. Don't have the Palmy promo card there. You get a coin there. That's pretty neat. Code card there. There you go. And we get the Palmy promo card there, which I'm sure everybody knows what it looks like. So next pack here, Surskit, Numel, Greavyard, Dynamo, Kingambit, Oinkologne, Letter of Encouragement, Entei. This is our first reverse foil there, and we got Pawniard. Next card is Scovillian. I have like 10 of those. Alright, excuse my language. Next booster pack here. Alright, next booster pack here. We got Charizard on the cover too. Awesome. We got Swablu as our first card there. Gilmet, Tebulb, Lechonk, Houndoom, Granbull, nice, Malamar, Whooper, Wugtrio, ooh, nice, Caridon EX, very nice. Next card is the energy card. Alright. We're actually going to discard those at the very beginning of the pack. So next pack here. Still can't believe we pulled Charizard. That is awesome. Just incredible, man. Out of the very first pack. Alright, next pack here. Let's get rid of those two. Abeloa. Team Star Grunts. Altaria. First reverse card is Magnemite. Volcarona. And Gita there. Nice. Alright, let's open this other coin blister up. I only got 3 of them. I have more in my inventory. I just grabbed 3 of them for this video. So next pack here. Same coin. Same Poniard card there. Really cool. Right, we're going to set Charizard in the back there. Hope you guys can see him. Here, let's move those over a little bit there. There we go. Nice. Alright, so next pack here. Oh, we got the code there. Alright, next pack. Dragonite on the cover there. Very nice. Alright, so we got Charmander, Dratini, Oddish, Swablu, Diggersby, nice Diggersby there, Solrock, Houndoom, first reverse card of Togetic, and then Malamar there, and then Togekiss. So the last card in that pack there. Alright, next pack. Next pack there. Alright, we got Varoom. We got a Salandit, Electrike, Larvitar, Dartrix, Frogadier, nice, Sunfisk, Combee, Lycanroc, and the last card is Scovillian again. I don't like him. I don't like that Pokemon. Next pack. Next pack here. Tyranitar on the cover there. Very nice. So we got Rhyme. Pretty sure that card is full art as well in the set. Pupitar, Togetic, Ninetales, nice Ninetales art there. Diglett, Togepi, and Toxtricity there is our rare foil card. Alright, next pack. Alright, next pack here. Darmaska, Froakie, Boom Sweet, Vulpix, Solrock, Houndoom, Granbull, Crabrawler, Alamaldiv, Scovillian again. Holy cow, we got like 3 of those. Like I said, I don't like that card. It's annoying. Next pack here. Pops up everywhere. Next pack here. Tyranitar on the cover again. Got Phantom, Wooper, Weasel, Smoliv, Vengeful Punch, Skarmory, nice Skarmory card there, Espeon, nice, Fungus, Bonesly, and the last card, Scovillian. Oh my god, really? We're on a streak. How many do we got? Like 5? Next card here, or next pack here. Alright, Varoom, Combee, Pidgey, Smoliv, Toedscruel, nice, Solrock, Dugtrio, nice Dugtrio art there. Fungus, ooh nice, Pidgeot EX, special illustration, very nice card there. Wow, not very many hits, but the hits we have are pretty incredible. So nice Pidgeot there. And then Gita is our rare. Alright, next pack here. Charizard on the cover there. Yeah, I don't have too much of this set yet, so hoping to open up some more on the channel. Fungus, Nosepass, Amoonguss, Seismitoad, that's a nice art there. Another Seismitoad reverse. Wait a minute. That's not a reverse. They gave me 2 Seismitoad cards. Okay. They messed up. Abominable Shuckle. Nice Shuckle there. Okay, we got Toadscruel there. Nice. Don't have that yet. That is a cool card. Set that back there. Let's open up this coin blister here. Only got 3 of them. That's all I grabbed. So next pack here. Dratini, Oddish, Swablu, Gilmet, Dragonair, Amarouge. Got an Ortega there. Nice. Solrock reverse, Froakie reverse, and the last card is Entei. Nice Entei foil card there. And the code card, of course. I don't think anybody actually uses the codes, but if you guys do, let me know in the comments below so I could keep showing you guys. If you guys like that, you know. Chardit. Next pack here. Poniard, Lillipup, Crabrawler, Grumpig, Quadsire, Trevenant. Approaching our first reverse card of Rockruff, Electros, and our last card is Palafin. So 20 packs, we only got 3 hits so far. So we still got quite a few packs here, so let's see what else we can get. Next pack here. Steamy, Baltoy, Wooper, Carvana, Malamar, Codswire, Grumpig. Approaching our first reverse foil of Litwick and Woke Trio and Toxtricity there. Alright, next pack here. Next pack here. Numel, Mawile, Togedemaru, Greavard, Lapras, Masquerain, Surskit. Oh, another Pidgeot special illustration. And then we got another hit behind there. Toadscruel EX. Wow. Incredible. Alright. So that's freaking awesome. Yeah, let's scoot this up a little bit so you guys can see that. There we go. Alright, next pack here. Next pack. Alright, so Magnemite there. Our first card, Eevee. Toadscruel. Houndour. Frogadier. Stunfisk. Salazzle. Lillipup. And the last card, Poniard. And the last card is Claydol. That's not the last card. Claydol is. Alright, next pack here. Got 3 boosters left. Next pack. Alright, next pack here. Got Caps Kid. Town Store. That one. Togepi. Malamar. Grumpig. Bellybolt. First reverse card of Serena. Frogadier. This card is Palafin. See, there's not very many regular holo rares, so there are a lot of repeats, which is kind of crappy. Next pack here. Like how we got 5 Scovillians. Like, who wants 5 of those? I know I don't. That's just like, I just want like 1 of them. That's it. Baltoy. Blitzin. Larvitar. Togetic. Ninetales. Whoops. Poltergeist. Numel. Larvitar. Nice Larvitar special illustration. I think that's just a regular illustration. Yeah. Very nice. Still a cool card. Set that back there, and then we got Toxtricity there. we're down to our last pack. We're gonna be doing kind of a series after this. So after this one, I'm gonna be opening up some more Paldea Evolved. After this one, so maybe 20 of them. I'm gonna hunt down that Iono. I haven't pulled the Iono yet. So next pack here, last pack. So that series should be pretty fun. And then for the first set, Scarlet and Violet, we're gonna try to hunt down the Gyarados. So hopefully we can get the Gyarados soon. Litwick, Zangoose, Charmander, Altaria, Mawile, Bouffalant, Greavard, Zigzagoon, and our last card is Palafin. Alright. So we're going to do a little recap here. See what we got. Got some pretty good pulls here. We got Larvitar, that's just the illustration. Regular EX of Toedscruel. Pidgeot EX, that's a special illustration. Very nice card there. Another Toedscruel there. Another Pidgeot. And then the gold Charizard. That is amazing. I can't believe we got that. So that's the whole video. That's all the packs I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So with that being said, I'm going to sign off and call it a day. With that being said, my name is iCollect. Thank you for watching.